Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, we are going to show how to create keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10. You can assign these shortcuts to applications like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Word. For universal applications like the Windows Calculator, this also works, but it requires a bit more effort. First, I'll show you how to do this for a regular application. So search for an application where you want to create a shortcut key. In my case, I'll search for Firefox. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. This opens a program folder which has most of the shortcuts in it. Right-click on the application where you want to create a shortcut key for and select Properties. Here you have the shortcut key setting. So choose a key that you want to set. This can be a letter or a number. I'll choose F for Firefox. Keep in mind that Windows is automatically going to add Ctrl-Alt to the shortcut key combination. This cannot be changed as far as I know. Click on OK once you're ready to try the combination. You do need admin access for this. Click on Continue. When I hit Ctrl-Alt-F, it indeed opens Firefox as expected. Now I'll show how to do this for a universal app like the calculator, for instance. Click on the Windows search bar and type in Run. Click on it. Here you need to enter Explorer shell, appsfolder. Click on OK to continue. This opens a new window that shows all of your applications. Right-click on the calculator app and select Create Shortcut. Click on Yes to place a shortcut on your desktop. So now that the shortcut is placed on the desktop, you can add a keyboard combination in the same way as we did for Firefox. Right-click on the calculator shortcut and select Properties. As a shortcut key, I'll choose C for calculator. Again, this is going to change to Ctrl-Alt-C. Let's try it out real fast. I'll hit Ctrl-Alt-C and indeed the calculator opens. This concludes our how to create keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10 tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Windows or software related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.